I moved my online business to Kajabi exactly 3 years ago this month. It's been an amazing journey, and I've actually since then started a second business, which is also hosted on Kajabi. Both of my businesses have grown so much in these last 3 years, and Kajabi is a big reason why. In this video, I want to give you 3 things that Kajabi has done for me that have not only improved my business and helped it grow and make more money, but it's actually helped to improve my life and overall just well-being and enjoyment in my life and in my business. I think that Kajabi could be an amazing step for you to take in your online business. Whether you have an online business right now and you're thinking about just moving everything over to Kajabi, or if you're thinking about starting an online business and you're wondering if Kajabi could be right for you, I've got something for you before we get into today's video. You can have a 30-day free trial on Kajabi using my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. 30 days to try it out, see if you like it, totally free. You're also going to get my exclusive course called the Kajabi Accelerator. In this course, I show you exactly how to set up Kajabi, how to think about and build a successful online business, and how to get the best possible start, not only on Kajabi, but in your online business as a whole. And then I'm also going to offer you a free 45-minute one-on-one Zoom call with me where we can talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, and talk about how you can get the best possible start on that platform. So the 30-day free trial, the Kajabi Accelerator course, the 45-minute call with me is all yours, and I'm also going to throw in my $25,000 course launch email template just because. You can get all of that when you sign up for Kajabi using my link, which is an affiliate link, so it does help me out when you sign up using my link, but that's at no additional cost to you. You can do that at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. All right, so let's dive into it. These are 3 things that Kajabi has done for my life and my business since I joined 3 years ago this month. Number 1, Kajabi has simplified my business. Before moving to Kajabi, my business was somewhat scattered and consequently confusing and complicated to me. There was my website, which was hosted over on Bluehost through a self-hosted WordPress site. Then I had my email list over on ConvertKit. I was building my course out on Teachable. I had my podcast on Libsyn. And I had a few other tools that I was using, and all of those different streams and softwares had to all go into one thing that was my cohesive business. The problem with that was it was not simple. It was actually very confusing. And this is how a lot of people are running their online businesses, and it's keeping them from being able to do the things that actually lead to generating revenue, making an income, and really doing the things that you're best at, like making content, working with your clients. Those are the things that I wasn't able to do as much of as I wanted because my business was so complicated and scattered. Well, when I moved my business over to Kajabi, all of those different tools were consolidated into one that did it much better. Once I was on Kajabi, the same software that runs my email list is also running my online course, which is also running my landing pages and my website. And all of it is speaking the same language, fully integrated, easy to make one part of it talk to the other. I'm not working with totally separate softwares and companies and people that change the rules and all this stuff. All of that went away, and it simplified my business, which leads to the second thing that Kajabi did for me, which was allowed me to focus on what's most important. In my online business, I get the most out of the things that I'm best at and the things that lead to growth, both in income and the business overall. Well, once my business was simplified by Kajabi, I was actually freed up to focus on the things that actually lead to growth. Things like creating new products like courses and membership sites. Things like creating content. Things like interacting with and coaching my clients. Because Kajabi simplified my business to the degree that it did, I was able to be freed up to do the income generating things that I'm best at and that contribute to the growth of my business. I think what you're going to find when you jump on Kajabi is that you are going to have a sense of newfound freedom where you can now focus on the things that actually lead to growth. And then finally, the third thing that Kajabi did for me was simply save me time and money. I talked a lot already about how it saved me time. Simplifying my business saves me a lot of time, and giving me the ability to focus on the things that are most important saves me tons of time. But Kajabi also saved me a lot of money. About $2,000 per year is what I've saved just simply by having Kajabi instead of all these other types of software. When I had my email list on ConvertKit, about $50. When I had my Bluehost, it was about $12. When I had my podcast, about $20. When I had Teachables, about $100. Not to mention landing pages and community hosting and all these different things that Kajabi just does, and it all is included in your package. That saved me a ton of money. So when you look at Kajabi, you might look at it at first glance and say, wow, $150 a month, this is kind of expensive. But you have to factor in all the other money that you would spend or you might currently be spending on different pieces of software that Kajabi completely and effectively replaces. Because of that, it saved me time and it saved me money. After 3 years, all I have to say is you gotta try it for yourself. And I've done everything possible to help you along the way. Not only do I have all the amazing perks that I told you about when you use my link, but I also have this 90-day playlist, which shows you how to crush it on Kajabi in 90 days. So you can jump in there. Be sure also to use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi to get started. And I can't wait to see you on our one-on-one 45-minute call.